Hi guys, welcome to the Key Stage 2 Succeed in Maths YouTube channel. In today's video we will be completing the Year 5 End of Unit Assessment for Decimals and Percentages. For this video you will be needing a pen and a piece of paper. After each question, please pause the video and attempt the question, then press play when you are ready to see the working out and solution. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. This is our first question. Question 1. There are 100 pens. 40% of the pens are red. How many red pens are there? Now this is a very simple question. We know that 100% of the pens would be 100. So 40% of the pens would just be 40. So our answer is 40 red pens. Question 2. 0.05 equals what percent? Now, when we are converting from a decimal to a percentage, we multiply by 100. That's the same as moving the decimal place 2 places along to the right. 1 place, 2 place. That gives us 5%. Now when we're working the other way, so from a percentage to a decimal, we're going to do the opposite of this. So we are going to divide by 100. We're going to move the decimal place 2 points to the left, and that gives us 0.75. This is the same as the top question, so we're going to times by 100. (125%). Question 3. There are 60 sweets in a packet. Alice takes 0.3 of the sweets. How many sweets are left? Now, all the sweets as a decimal would be 1. That equals 60 sweets. Alice she takes 0.3 of them. So we're going to take away 0.3 from 1 to find out how many sweets are left over. 1 minus 0.3 gives us 0.7. Now we need to work out what 0.7 of 60 is. To work out 0.1 of 60, we divide it by 10. So 60 divided by 10 gives us 6. Now to work out 0.7, what we do, we times this side by 7. So we're going to do the same to this side. 6 multiplied by 7 gives us 42. 42 sweets are left over. Question 4. 0.65 plus a decimal number equals 1. Most people can work this out mentally, but I'm going to show you how to do this with a column method. To work out this number, we need to do 1 minus 0.65. 1 minus 0.65. Now, to work this out, we need to place a decimal point next to our 1 and add 2 zeros in our digit places to fill them up so we can work this out. 0 minus 5, well, we can't do this. Moving along 1, that's also a 0. Move along another one is 1. Minus 1 from it, making it 0, and carry over that 1. Take away 1 from 10, makes it 9. Carry over the 1, gives us 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. Remember to bring down the decimal place. 0 minus 0 is 0. And our answer is 0.35. Question 5. There are 125 bananas. Harvey takes 24% of them. How many bananas did he take? Well, 100% of the bananas is 125. We're going to start off by working out what 10% is. And to do that, we divide our number here by 10. What we do is move the decimal place along 1 point, which will give us 12.5. We're going to move on now to working out what 1% is. To work out 1%, we divide our number by 100. Moving along our decimal place 2 points gives us 1.25. We're going to work out what 20% is. To work out 20%, we times this number by 2. If you can't do this mentally, please use the column method. 12.5 times by 2 gives us 25. Now we're going to work out what 4% is. (1.25) times by 4. 4 times by 5 is 20. 4 times by 2 is 8. Plus the 2 down here is 10. Bring down our decimal place. 4 times by 1 is 4. Plus this 1 is 5. Our answer is 5. Now all that's left to do now is to add our 20% and our 4% together to get 24%. We've got 25 here and 5 here. Adding them together gives us 30. Harvey has taken 30 bananas. Question 6. 18% plus a percentage equals 100%. Now, don't be thrown off by this question because it's the same as a normal addition question. To work out this number here, we're going to be doing 100 minus 18. 100 minus 18 gives us 82. 82% is our answer. Question 7. Mark has 0.7 litres of water. He needs 1.2 litres of water. How much more water does he need? All that we need to do is to do 1.2 minus 0.7. This can be worked out mentally, or you can use a column method like so. Make sure that your decimal place is aligned with each other. Two minus 7, we can't do that, so we're going to go over to our 1, minus 1 from it, making it a 0, and carry over that 1. 12 minus 7 gives us 5. Bring down our decimal place. 0 minus 0 is 0, and our answer is 0.5 litres. Question 8. 8.65 divided by something gives us 0.0865. We can see that we still have 865 in our number. That means that our number hasn't changed, it's just that the decimal place has been moved. If we write down our original number, we're going to see how many decimal places this number has been moved. 1 place, 2 place, and the decimal place is now here. The decimal place has been moved 2 places, which means that our original number has been divided by 100 to achieve this. Question 9. Anthony runs 2.6 kilometres. Josh runs 3.8 kilometres more than Anthony. How many kilometres do they run in total? Anthony, I'm just going to write A, runs 2.6 kilometres. Josh, J, he runs 3.8 kilometres more than Anthony, so we're going to add 3.8 and 2.6 together, making sure that our decimal places are in line with each other. 8 plus 6 gives us 14. Bring down our decimal place. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Josh runs 6.4 kilometres. Now we are asked how many kilometres do they run in total, so we need to add these two numbers together. 6.4 plus 2.6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Bring down our decimal place. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus this one down here is 9. And our answer is 9 kilometres. Question 10. There are 60 questions in a test. Megan gets 85% correct. How many questions did she get wrong? Now, to work out what percentage she got wrong, we're going to be doing 100% minus 85%. 100 minus 85 gives us 15%. Now we're going to work out what 15% of 60 is. We know that 100% is 60. 10% is 60 divided by 10, which gives us 6. And to work out 5%, we're going to divide this number by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And to work out 15%, we're going to add these two numbers together. 6 plus 3 gives us 9. Megan got 9 questions wrong in that test. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please share this YouTube channel to friends and family, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!